I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, it's Jessica here, and I'm so excited to show you around Ibiza beaches, the beaches with the clearest water and beautiful white sandy beaches. A beach club edition of the Ibiza walking tour with me, so let's get started. First off, I'm going to take you on a journey through Playa in Bossa, recently developed beach village along the southeast coast of Ibiza. Here, you'll find all the typical tourist activities such as water sports, shopping, and nightlife options. Don't forget to take a boat ride onto the island of Formentera. From there, you can experience the simply breathtaking views and beautiful bays. Next up, I'll be taking you to the iconic Salinas Beach. It's one of the most popular Ibiza beaches and is also well known for being one of the biggest and oldest party spots on the island. Here you can find all kinds of water sports, sunbathing spots, and cool beach bars. You can also find many different beach clubs here while partying until the morning. And I haven't even mentioned the crystal clear waters. Now moving on to Cala Adela, where you'll find a nice spot to relax and watch the sunset. This beach is especially great for families as you'll find very shallow waters and many activities for kids. What's even more awe-inspiring is the view of the cliffs surrounding the beach, which give you a glimpse of how stunning the island really is. Last but not least, I'll be taking you to Calabasa Beach, where you get it all: blue waters, white sand, a small beach party, a few beach bars, and low-key vibes. This is a great spot for anyone looking for an escape from the usual busyness of the island. That's it for today. I'm so glad that you've decided to join me on this stunning tour of Ibiza beaches. If you've enjoyed my video and the info that I have shared, please don't forget to hit that like button, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my latest travel updates.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!